Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at ISC'13 in Leipzig, Germany, and we're here at the Samsung booth, and I'm here with Peyman. Peyman, what are you guys showcasing this year in the booth?
Good morning, Rich. This year, if you can remember, last year we discussed about green DRAM for server products. This year, our focus is mainly on SSDs, solid-state devices. And for the past 12 months, we have worked with partners in industry, in data centers. We believe that SSD is now a mature enough product to be implemented in the data centers. One aspect we need to consider is that the access times is a critical topic. If you use DRAM memory in a high density area, it's quite expensive. Hard disk drives is very slow. So we believe SSD is a perfect fit to compensate the gap between hard disk drive and DRAM memory, so that for, let's say, timely critical application and bandwidth, especially if you were talking about buzzwords like big data, is a perfect fit to use SSD in the caching area.
Yeah, so you got that middle layer with that kind of, but we were talking earlier how, ideally some of these data centers, they'd love to have only SSD and get rid of the spinning disk if they could afford it, right? Because there is a cost differential there as well, right? So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
And with maturing product and the volumes going into the market, we are also working on bringing down the prices of SSDs down. And the good news is, we are coming in the ranges that our customers say, okay, yes, it's getting more interesting for us. If you follow that path in the future, we will see more adoption rates in industry.
But you don't think that spinning disk is going to go away in the enterprise?
No way. We're not against spinning disk.
Okay.
That's to be clear. We believe SSD is a perfect fit in a tiering of memory, having DRAM, SSD, and hard disk drive. Each of them has its purposes, and it's belong to the data center environment.
Okay. So you got that going forward. What else are you showcasing today?
We have partners at our booth because it's something you tell a story. It's more believable and convincing if our partners tell the same story from their perspective. In that sense, our partners worked with us in the past 12 months implementing SSD in their data center environments. They are here at our booth giving you a first-hand impression of their own experience. Besides that, we have also one of our partners working on an ARM-based CPU HPC platforms, showcasing for the first time here at our booth. And we have lots of visitors, interested people looking at that.
Okay, so I want to ask you more about that. Is there an SSD component to that ARM-based thing you described, or is it a DRAM, or what's the mix?
It's actually a Galaxy mobile CPU with based HPC. So nothing you can attach to it also SSD or DRAM, but the main purpose is showing that the mobile Galaxy CPU could be a solution in terms of the efficiency in the data center environment.